Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to log out of your iCloud on iPhone 16 Pro. To log out of your iCloud, go to Settings, then click on your account on the top, then scroll down and click on Sign Out. Then you need to enter your Apple account password. I'm gonna do it off camera. Then just click on Done and wait a moment to be signed out. Here you can check if you want to keep a copy of some data that was on iCloud. So you can keep a copy of calendars, contacts, health, keychain, Safari, and wallet tickets and passes. I'm gonna leave this not checked and just click on sign out again, and then wait a moment, and now you're signed out. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.